Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa van Dijk, and in today's video I want to talk about ceramides and whether ceramide skincare actually repairs the skin barrier. Now when you Google this, the AI summary will usually say something like this. It says that ceramides are natural fats in the skin that sit between skin cells and help keep moisture in and irritants out. And that when the skin loses ceramides because of age or environmental stress, using skincare with added ceramides help rebuild the barrier, reduce dryness and sensitivity, and make the skin more resilient again. Now when you read this, it sounds very promising, but without a bit more context, it's easy to misunderstand what that actually means. So I want to explain this a bit more clearly. Now ceramides are an essential part of the skin barrier, so that part is true. And inside living skin, they are one of the main building blocks that help the barrier do its job properly. But this is where it's important to separate two different things. There's a difference between ceramides that are produced inside your skin as part of normal skin renewal and ceramides that are applied on top of the skin in a cream or lotion. Now your skin barrier repairs itself from the inside. That repair happens as skin cells renew and produce their own protective fats over time. It's a biological process that continues whether you use skincare or not. And when you apply a ceramide product, those ceramides don't enter living skin cells and they don't become part of the newly formed barrier structures. They stay at the surface, mixed into the product base. And what they do there is change how the barrier behaves in that moment. So topical ceramides can help reduce water loss, make the surface less exposed, and lower how much ongoing stress the skin is dealing with. And that often makes the skin feel calmer, less dry, and less reactive to the environment. So when your skin stings less and feels calmer and more stable, it's very easy to feel like the barrier has been repaired. But that improvement is largely functional and sensory. The actual rebuilding of the barrier is still happening underneath, on the skin's own timeline. This is also why ceramide skincare can feel very different depending on what the skin is dealing with overall. When the skin is relatively stable and not losing moisture too quickly, adding ceramides at the surface can make a noticeable difference. But when the skin is under much more ongoing stress or what is escaping faster, that same support at the surface can fade quickly or feel subtle or just short-lived. In both cases, the role of the product is the same. So when Google says that ceramide skincare repairs the skin barrier, what's really describing is improved surface function and reduced stress on the skin, not the biological rebuilding of the barrier itself. And once you understand that difference, ceramide skincare becomes much easier to place. Not as something that fixes the barrier, but as something that supports it while the skin repairs itself over time. And I hope that this helped you understand how that actually works. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!